Hi, Jamie here, and I want to talk to you for a minute about this oil dispenser. Now, we like to cook as much as we can at home. We feel like it's a little bit healthier. And sometimes when we're cooking things like pancakes or other things, having cooking spray just makes it so much nicer. But then I was always wondering, what else am I getting inside that cooking spray than just oil? And so that's where this dispenser comes in, and we love it. It's great. I know what I'm getting. It's just oil. I put it in myself. It's more sustainable. I'm not throwing away things because I can just reuse this. So how you use it is you've got this kind of trigger up here. And what we found, I'm going to go ahead and spray my baking dish here. What we found is that if you push slow, kind of not a little bit slower and not as much pressure, you get more of a stream. And if you want more of a wide spray, then that's where you just push a little bit harder and faster. So I'm coating the inside of my baking dish with just a few sprays. Or let's say I want to use it in a salad or cooking on the stove where I don't want to spray, but I just need a little bit of oil rather than digging out my oil. I can just use this as well. There's a little button here on top. This pops off, and then you can also just dispense your oil like that. So it's super functional, easy. I feel like I know that I'm just getting oil and no questionable things in it, and I'm more sustainable. So if you're looking for a great addition to your kitchen, I highly recommend this oil dispenser.